Hello my beautiful crafty friends. Today we are going to be making a really simple but really gorgeous card with some kids fun foam, a die cut, and some pattern paper. I'm going to be using this die cut here that I got from AliExpress. You can use any die cut that has like just some larger openings. And then I'm going to be using this gorgeous ink drops paper pad from Craft Consortium. So it's all like alcohol ink designs. All right, so starting off, I am going to put this piece of paper, glue it down onto the fun foam. So I'm just gonna use regular craft glue for that. I'm just like, I've got some Elmer's glue in a bottle. Now I like to smear the glue with my finger because this makes it so that you know every little bit of the paper is going to be adhered down and there's no pieces that might come up because we're going to die cut this, so we want to make sure that it's completely adhered and there's no bits that will bubble up. You could also use a foam brush if you don't want to get your fingers all sticky. Okay, so you might want to put a book or something on that and let it dry. We are going to die cut it with this die, but we want to make sure that the glue is completely dry first so this doesn't move around in the die cut with the pressure of the die cut machine. So I'm just gonna let this dry and then I will run it through my die cut machine. Okay, so here it is. It's all cut through. Now I am going to pop out all of these centerpieces and I'm going to use those on a different card. I've got an Anna Griffin Empress die cut machine and it cuts through so many things just so easily. It's a beautiful machine. It was a little hard to find, but it really cuts so well, as you can see. Okay, so I've got a 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch card base and I'm just going to glue this down on top of it using that same glue that I used to put the foam on. Now you can definitely put another layer of color underneath. You can even ink the background. This one I'm just going to do with white, but I'm going to do another one with a colored background. Alright, so once it's all dry, I'm going to take some gem kind of stickers, like any kind of gemstone. So I'm literally just going to put one of these in each of the open spaces, right in the center. Okay, so once you've got your gemstones in the holes, I left this row empty because I plan on using this stamp to put there so it would cover up the gems anyway. So here's a closer look at what it looks like right now. And now the last step is to use either Glossy Accents or the Nouveau Crystal Glaze. I absolutely love both of these products. They're amazing. So either one can be used. They both kind of work the same. I've tried both with this technique. And now we're just going to go inside each of the openings here and to try and kind of make the gem look like it's been like inlaid in glass or something. So I'm just going to go into each one of these, and that's why the fun foam is important because it gives it that raised bit. So it's going to look a little bit yellow right now, but it will dry completely clear. Okay, so now we will just let this dry. It'll take a few hours and then we can put our sentiment on. All right, so once your card is dry, you can put your sentiment on. I just decided to use one of these sentiments from Tim Holtz. They're just really easy, and I just love all of the sayings that they have on them. So that is that card done, and I think it turned out really, really nice. You can kind of see the shimmer of the glossy accents in there. I just love the way this looks. So here is one that I made with 2 different pieces of pattern paper. I've got like a green polka dot in behind and then this floral on top. And then I just triple die cut a thank you out of gold cardstock and then have the shadow in white. And then I used little pearls in the spots. I did not want to waste all of the little bitties that we popped out of that die. So I've taken another card base and just layered a piece of like a maroon cardstock with a piece of white cardstock that I cut with this Catherine Pooler polka dot cover plate. So I cut that out and then I've just stamped this thanks in black ink and then embossed it in clear. This is just a generic stamp set that I got from AliExpress, so it's just got a few little sentiment strips in there with the thanks. So now I'm just gonna fussy cut this and put it on here, and then I'm gonna make a little flower with these petals. And I've got a couple leaves that I just colored in green, so I'm gonna add those on as well. Okay, so I'll put this down here somewhere. I feel like it might also need a bit of a backing. Okay, so I've got the thanks on there. I backed it again with some of that same maroon cardstock that we have on the background. And then I've arranged my flowers and have them glued down, my little petals. Now I'm going to take a couple little leaves that I die cut out. They've got the adhesive on the back already. I'm going to stick them on. I think I'm going to go down with this one and just kind of tuck it under a little bit. Yeah, I think I like that. And then the smaller one I'll put over here. Okay, and then I just need a center for my flower. And I'd like to tie in more of the black, so I've just got these gemstones from the dollar store. So I think I'm just going to use one of the medium-sized black centers and try and get these to a spot where this can just sit on top like that. Yeah, I think that's pretty. I like that. All right, so that is that one. I think that's super cute. And I still have enough of these left over that I could make another 2 or 3 cards exactly like that. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you'll give this technique a try, the inlaid gemstone. I think it's very, very pretty and very chic. And then you can make this kind of card with the leftovers. Never throw anything away. Okay, I love you all. I hope you're having an amazing day. And be kind to one another. Bye.